You put your ready to go. I thought you were going to do your little intro.
I could, I guess. Intro done. How about that?
Yeah.
All right, so we've had these Viking bags on the FXDX for quite some time. We're going to do a separate little review on this. I'm not going to worry about reviewing them right now, but I mean they've held up. There's some things I don't care for about them. There's some things that aren't so bad, like they hold stuff.
I'm going to need you to hold this up or do something.
Ugh. And that's where a bungee cord would be helpful.
Maybe. A bungee cord?
Probably. So use a ratcheting wrench, man.
I am. I just broke it loose. Now, it's just something that's deep to get to.
Yeah, that's the one where you want the long wrench. Because you gotta get them all the way from the back. In fact, if you hold this up, I can break this loose from this side. Might be easier than you trying to reach through.
Of course, I got it the wrong way. Get.
Weird one. Ka-ding. I left one of the hardware pieces on. Did you unbolt one of the bottom bolts?
Hmm?
Look, so this bottom bolt's still in place, but that one's not. Did you unbolt that, or
No.
was that loose then?
Just slap came the hell on off.
Wow.
Go Viking bags. That just came off.
That just came off.
Thing happened.
So do you have the hardware over there? I heard some ting-a-tings.
There was a washer. I grabbed it.
That was it?
The rest of the hardware should have fallen inside the bag, I imagine.
No, that bolt would have been on the outside. I mean, look. Quite literally, on the outside.
Oh, then that thing has been gone. It probably came off. That thing has been gone then.
All right, so install pro tip: put some glue Loctite.
Otherwise, well, that happens.
Yeah, otherwise that happens. I'll just throw the hardware inside of the bag.
I don't know if we're gonna have to use longer bolts and whatnot because of my
If we do, I'm sure that comes with it.
docking spacers. We'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if it does.
You might want to just leave those in there for right now, though, because
I'm gonna want to measure the length compared to the bolts that are in there.
I wasn't even going to say that. I was actually thinking more. Well, I guess if you're going to put this whole one side on first.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave that side.
I got you. Just don't want the fender to drop.
I don't know if you know this. It's not the first time I put some bags on, sir.
Man's got some bags, that's for sure. Jesus Christ.
Alright, that was easy enough. Now,
Get.
oh god. So now we clean all the muck from behind this fender real quick.
Hey, wash and clean.
Where's those washy wipes?
Should be right up in here. Yep. These little guys are fantastic.
For shit like that.
Yep. Stuff like this, they're perfect. Real question is, do you remember to bring your chain guard so we can put that back on when we take the other stuff?
But I can put it on the house. Ugh, nasty.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure that's fucking horrifying.
Oh god, I'm tempted to take this whole fender off just to clean properly back here. Well,
Yeah,
I'll do it later. Yeah, I'm gonna be painting.
You know what? Maybe if you're gonna do that, when you go to change out your tires,
Yeah.
pull the wheel off, so it'd be real easy to get in there. Maybe even touch up the paint at that point if you need to.
Drape this over the front of the fairy. I'm gonna use the one supposed to like hit the front of the fairy.
How do you drape it over the front of the fairing? You drape it up over the...
No, that'll just drape over the tank then. No, you're
No, I'll drape it over the damn fender, or that. Engine guard. I gotta figure out which side it's which here, too.
Wait 1 second. I just wanna get whatever use out of this thing I can.
Alright, so this, I'm 99% certain it's gonna be your left side. But I'm pretty sure it goes on just like that.
Yep, that's the left side.
I'm gonna actually set this on the foam up here on the Supra. Just set on the foam and hopefully not have it fall off.
Yeah, I said they take this shit off the head. All right. Well, so the bags are going to be the last step, but instructions in the hardware.
I'm pretty sure you got to take your oh yeah, we got to. Let's see. This is going to be front step. Figure it out.
Yeah.
So there should be. I think there's a bracket that's going to come down off the back, and if I'm not mistaken, this up here is going to go across the. You see how I'm setting this up here?
I do, but I'm still. Remember when we said about having to drill a hole here in the fender or get that bracket? I think that
they said you didn't need the bracket.
they wrong.
Well, let's see what we got here. You see, there's no instructions in there.
Oh, I'll go open the bags, but no.
I wonder if there's instructions on the website.
I wouldn't imagine they put them in the bags.
I don't know what's in the bags. Hey,
Nothing?
man, what about the other one? The other one clearly has it all. Do I remember hitting record on it over here? I did. That's recorded.
There's nothing in here.
All right, I'll go check the website. You can go ahead and get your plastics and all off there. Deviant, because Deviant Art, no Fabrication. Deviant Fabrications, Dyna. So they're showing this rear fender bracket support for $35, saying when mounting the Defender saddlebags in the OEM position by creating the rear fender mounting point without the need to drill it.
Which is exactly what I stated. When I was looking at it online.
So maybe he misunderstood and thought I was talking about the whole subframe mounting chassis. I specifically asked in that email, is there anything else I need? The whole point was to be a whole bolt-on affair. Fucking $25. I'm going to pay or $35. I bet shipping on that's going to be fucking crazy. Now, hold up, I want to know. Because, yeah, I'm with you. I wouldn't want to drill the fender either. Yes, I can fork with $20 shipping. Be $55.
I'd contact him. And yeah, this totally goes to the fender back here. Look, dude.
Oh yeah, no, I was absolutely certain of it.
It mounts here on the top shock mount.
It mounts
passenger peg mount.
down here, yep.
And then it mounts there. You can drill a fender, or you can get the bracket, which is drilled.
So I guess stock was drill the fender. Yeah, $55. We'll get that on the way then.
Well, let's try to see if they'll work with us first. Hey, dude, remember me?
We can try. Worst they can do is say no, pound sand.
It's worth saving $55.
Oh, no, I can tell you how that would go. Yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. We'll send it to you. You're covering shipping. They're not going to ship from Lebanon for free.
Well, it's still half off then. You cover shipping and they give you the product for free.
I could.
Half cost.
I guess for me, really, it amounts to is $20 worth waiting an extra like 3 or 4 days.
Well, as it is, we're going to be waiting like a week or more. Weeks.
Probably.
So this isn't happening today.
Probably ought to clean up some of this though.
No.
Dirty. Well, damn. You want to put the
fist.
You want to put the other one back on, or you want to ride around one bag?
Just put the bag back on. Well, shit, the hardware was busted.
No, it was missing. It wasn't busted. It was gone.
Damn it.
Well, so the lesson here, ladies and gents, you need that extra bracket. When you order the Defender bags, please order that bracket. Unless you don't mind drilling up some great paint. So we hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we will be back. We will absolutely.
Always something to shit Louise.
So I hope that was helpful if you were deciding to order some of these Deviant Fabrication bags.
God damn it.
We'll get those on the way, and then we'll go ahead and do the install.
I can clean the shit out of my shop.
May as well while you're there. Thanks for watching.